Pretty awesome view. So my house is somewhere down there. I don't know if you can quite see it, but that's where we live. We're about 150 metres from the sea. But it's pretty cool, and we have these little castle-y things all over the place. And in fact, there's one up there somewhere. Where is it? It's just up there. There's an old Roman fort on top of one of the hills there, which I've actually climbed up to in my flip-flops and a t-shirt with no water. And I got to the top, and then I couldn't get down and found myself in real difficulty. It wasn't the best of ideas, and I do have some ideas that actually don't pan out as they should do. That's life as well. But look at the colour. Beautiful. It's a good mixture of light blue and dark blue in the sea. And I think at some point, probably next year, we're highly likely to go out and buy a speedboat. I think that's probably what's going to happen. Because that would just be awesome, wouldn't it? Just, oh, do you know what? It's a bit warm. Let's pop out on the boat. We'll just drop an anchor somewhere, and we'll just go off and go snorkeling and so on. I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, I agree. If it, you know, cars and planes and boats and that kind of thing, they really should be hired. The depreciation values and just the cost of maintenance on a boat is about 10% a year on average, but it can be like 20%. So if you're buying a £100,000 boat, that's going to cost you, you know, between £10,000 and £20,000 a year. And that's not driving it. That's just maintenance, and well, I think it includes petrol. Maybe, I can't remember. But it's very expensive. So, like, you know, let's say it's 20 grand a year. Why don't you just go hire one for £5,000 or £6,000 for a nice weekend or something like that? Anyway, who knows? We might do it. We might not. Looks pretty amazing, though, doesn't it? And the other part of that, by the way, is that if you're doing 20 grand a year, that's £2,000 a month. Like, I can get a Ferrari or Lambo for that. Here we go. Is Airwolf's just coming over. That's pretty cool. I do love living here. It's pretty amazing. I suppose we should record a video.